Since when did everyone find me so easy to read? I'm still sorry, though.
All good. It's great that you care about all of this, but all you've done is make people scared of you. And when you do that, you miss so much. Oh, golly! Do I get to hear your voice before I head out?
So, how do I sound? Nice, I hope.
What? Oh, I love it!
Thanks. I thought I'd be more excited right now, but you've given me so much. My legs, this voice, myself, there's still so much I haven't found.
Hey, even so, all I see and hear now is you. So thank you, because I missed out for too long.
I don't get it. How'd you change your voice?